All right, so I was organizing the shop here for my pegboard on the wall. I only had a few hooks left over the years, so I had to pick up a bunch of hooks. There, these right here. Got a whole set of them. I don't actually haven't even put all of them up. Haven't even probably used half of them. But it came with a nice selection of them. Came with those and those little cups right there. Those little black trays come in handy. Come in with these for the. I got these hones sitting in here now, but you put screwdrivers in there or whatever. So nice selection of hooks there. Came with these two, which are I got these torque adapters sitting up here. That's nice. Those are good right there. Came with several packs of these. Those loops. Actually come with the little holders for some of these things you got. They come with these little plastic retaining pins. Stuff like this here. If you want to lock it down, you put your retaining pins across there and it locks it down into the pegboard so the thing doesn't lift up when you're trying to pull stuff off of there. Some of these things here, which do come in handy. I think I keep my funnels in there normally. Doubles. And like I said, I barely made a dent in that package of pegs. Come with these two, those slotted ones there. So they're good. It's a nice set. A lot of them in there.